Hello my lovely kids. Today we have general revision for grade 3 first term. Complete the pattern. The first type, we have 3 types of pattern: increasing, decreasing and repeating the pattern. The first one is decreasing, the numbers getting smaller. So 90, 85, 80. So each time we subtract 5. So what comes next? Yes, it's 75 and finally 70. This is called decreasing pattern, the number getting smaller. And the second type is increasing pattern, the number getting bigger. So 21, 24, 27. Each time we add 3, so the number get 30, and after 30, 33. Excellent. And finally we have repeating pattern. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. And we have 2 dots, 1 dot, 2 dots, 1 dot, space, space, 2 dots. Who can tell me? Yes, it's 2 dots, 1 dot. Excellent. And we have this called bar graph. Bar graph. My favorite result. We have number of students and the name of cities: Alexandria, Matruh, Baltim, Sharm el-Sheikh, Ras al-Bar. Alexandria, we have 8 students. Matruh, we have 14. Baltim, we have 4. Sharm el-Sheikh, we have 8. Ras al-Bar, we have 6. The question is, the best resort for students is. This means when I say the best resort, I mean the biggest bar. So where is the biggest bar? Yeah, so the answer is Matruh. The least popular resort. The least popular resort for students is, when I say the least, this means the smallest bar. So where is the smallest bar? Yes, it's Baltim. The difference between the number of those who prefer Sharm el-Sheikh and Baltim is, when I say the difference, I mean subtraction. So the number of students who prefer Sharm el-Sheikh is 8 minus the number of students who prefer Baltim is 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4 students. The total of those who love Alexandria and Ras al-Bar is, when I say the total, I mean addition. So Alexandria is 8. Alexandria is 8 plus Ras al-Bar is 6. 8 plus 6 equals 14 students. Create a pictograph by using the data label about the favorite zoo animals for some children. We have pictograph. Pictograph has title and key. Okay? So who can tell me the title? We talk about what? Favorite zoo animals. Excellent. So our title is favorite zoo animals. And the key, I will choose any shape I want, any picture and any key. Okay, so I will choose smiley face and I will say that each smiley face equals 2 children. Okay, you can make it by 1, but 2 it will be easier. Okay, elephant. We have 10 tally marks. So each smiley face equal 2. So I will draw 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And the monkey. We have 6 tally marks. I will draw 2, 4, 6. Panda. I have 4. So 2, 4. Giraffe. I have 8. So I will draw 2, 4, 6, 8. I have questions complete. How many more children like the monkey than giraffe? I said when I say difference or more than, I mean the subtraction. So the number of students or children that like monkey are 8 minus 6 equal to children. How many children liked both elephant and panda? When I say both, I mean addition. Both or and, I mean addition. So elephant is 10 plus panda is 4. 10 plus 4 equals 14 children. And finally, we have line plot. Convert the same data from the table into the line plots. We have table of data and we want to convert it into line plot. So we have the length of students' feet and number of students. We have 29 centimeters. 29 centimeter. I have 3 students. I have 3 students. 30 centimeter. I have 2 students. 31 centimeter. I have 4 students. 32 centimeter. I have 7 students. So to make line plot, I need key and title and number line. The key is, I talk about what? The table talk about what? Yes, the length of students' feet. And the x, I will say that x equals 1 student, okay? So hx, I will draw it equal 1. So 20, I will write the number line. So I started with the smallest and end with the biggest and write the number in between. So I will start with 29 and end with 32 and write 30 and 31. So 29 has 3 students. I will make 3 X's. 30 has 2 students, 2 X's. 31 has 4 students, 4 X's. 32 has 7 students, 7 X's. Okay? Choose the correct answer. 80 millimeter equals space centimeter. 80 millimeter equals space centimeter. We say that 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. So I ask about the bigger centimeter. When I ask about the bigger, I cross out 0. So 80 millimeter equal 8 centimeter. Excellent. 3,541 equal, the standard form of it equal, yes, it's 3,541. 4 plus 500, 500, bigger than, yes, it's 503. So 504 is bigger than 503. 5 plus 5 plus 5 4 times is 4 group of 5, 1 group of 3, 4 group of 3. Yes, it's a 4 group of 5. The length of this eraser is 3 meter, 30 millimeter, 300 centimeter. Who can tell me the answer? Yes, it's 30 millimeter. The length of pencil is about 11 centimeter tall or 40 centimeter tall. It's 11 centimeter tall. The place value of 5 at 5,136 is the place value. When I ask about the place value, I write word, okay? When I ask about the value, I write number. So 5 at 1,000 place. 60,000 plus 1,000 plus 100 plus 20. This is expanded form. I wanted to write the standard form. So it equals 61,120. 3 groups of 5 equals 5 plus 5 plus 5 or 2 plus 2 or 3 plus 3 4 times. Yes, it's 5 plus 5 3 times. The measuring unit for area. When I say area, I write square. So it's a meter square, not centimeter, meter square or centimeter square, but we don't have centimeter square here, so we will choose meter square. The measuring unit for perimeter. When I say perimeter, I use the measuring unit, only the measuring unit without a square, okay? So it's meter or centimeter, but we don't have centimeter here. So I choose meter. Order the number. 422, 681, 41,319, 422,618, 42,913. We want to order these numbers ascendingly from the smallest to the greatest and descendingly from the biggest to the smallest, okay? So the smallest number here is the smallest number of digits. So we have 41 and 42. So where is the smallest? Yes, it's 41,390. After it, 42,913. And then we have 422,681 and 422,618. Which is smallest? Yes, it's the 422,618. And finally, 422,681. Ascendingly, it's from the greatest to the smallest. Which number has the greatest digits? Yes, we have 422,681 and 422,618. Which is bigger? It's 422,681 and then 422,618. And which is bigger? 41 and 42? It's 42. So the number is 42,913 and finally 41,319. Complete the following. We have array and groups, okay? We want to write the repeated addition and multiplication addition. So repeated addition, we will say 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Multiplication equation, we say number of rows times number of columns. How many rows? It says 3. So 3 multiply number of columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. And we have 2 groups of 4 dots. So repeated addition is 4 plus 4 equals 8. Multiplication equation is number of groups times the number inside the groups, the number of objects inside the group. So 2 times 4 equals 8. Put true or false. 5,333 equals 5,000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 3. True or false? Yes, it's true. The place value of 6 at 7,364 is once 6 in ones place? No, in tens place, so it's false. The rule of pattern 20, 17, 14, 11 is plus 4? No, it's a decreasing pattern, so it's minus, not plus, so it's false. Minus 3. 3 times 7 equals 27. No, it's 21. It's false. 13 times 10 equals 130. Yes, it's true. 81 divided by 9 equals 8. No, it's false. 24 divided by 8 equals 3. Who can tell me? Who can tell me the answer? Yes, it's correct. It's true. Complete the following. We have distributive property of multiplication. Distributive property of multiplication. So we have 3 times 8. I wanted to break the number into 2 smaller parts. Okay, so I will write 3. Okay, and I will break 8 into. He tell me 6 and what? 8, it's break into 6 and what? What plus what? 6 plus what equals 8? So 2. So 3 times 6 plus 3 times 2 equals 3 times 8. We have here 7 times 9 equals, we will write 7, okay? So the first space is 7. And we will break 9 into 4 and what? 9 is about 4 and what? 4 and 5. We have 4 times 2 plus 4 times 5 equals 4 times, yes, 2 and 5 is 7. Find the area and perimeter of the following rectangle. The number of rows is 3. Okay. The number of columns is 4. So I want you to find the area and the perimeter. The area, we say that number of rows times number of columns. So 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 square units. Don't forget to write square units, okay? The perimeter is, we will add the sides. So we have 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 equals 14 units. 14 units. Find the area and the perimeter of the following rectangles. Here we have dimensions. We have the dimensions 4 and 5, and we want you to find the perimeter and area. So the number of rows is 4. Number of columns is 5. The area of rectangle equal number of rows times number of columns. 5 times 4 equal 20 square units. The perimeter equal 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 equals 18 units. Just units. Find the area and perimeter of the following rectangle. We have side with length meter and 6 meter, and we want to find the area and perimeter. So the length is 6 centimeter. The width is 3 centimeter. The width is the smallest side. The length is the longest side. So the area equals length times width. Okay. So 6 times 3 equals 18 meters square. 18 meters square, okay? The perimeter equals 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 6. We add the outlines, okay? Equals 18 meters. Millimeter is used to measure space of liquids as dropper. Small amount or large? It's small, so millimeter used to measure a small amount of liquid. Okay. Liter is used to measure space of liquid as bottle of water. Small amount or large amount? It's a large amount, so liter is used to measure large amount of liquids as bottle of water. The volume of liquid. When I say the volume of liquid, I look at the end of liquid. Its end at 70. So the volume of liquid inside this cylinder, graduated cylinder, is 70 milliliters. And the capacity of cylinder, it's the end of the cylinder, the end number, the last number of the cylinder, okay, is 100 milliliters. Best wishes with Ms. Dua and Ms. Shiri.